It should have never happened. And if this was such an accident, then why didn't he point the gun down at the ground? Why did he have to point it at Jacob, period? Why did he even have the gun outside? I can't talk no more.
It was an emotional day in court today as a distraught mother takes the stand. She spoke during the sentencing hearing for the teen who shot and killed her son. 17-year-old Aaden Torres took a plea deal and was sentenced to 5 years in prison. Thanks for joining us. I'm John Brown.
And I'm Luann Sorrell. Back in 2023, Torres shot his childhood friend, Jacob Ferrell. Fox 35's Matt Trezza is live in Orange County tonight. So, Matt, the family of the victim was not happy about this outcome.
No, not at all. Jacob Ferrell's family says 5 years in prison and 2 on probation just isn't enough, and State Attorney Monique Worrell also called this case a tragedy. Jacob Ferrell's loved ones angrily stormed out of the courtroom after the judge read the sentence.
I will sentence the defendant to 5 years in the Department of Corrections.
Aaden Torres broke down in tears as Judge Vincent Chu read out the sentence, 5 years in prison and 2 on probation. Torres was charged with manslaughter and gun possession by a minor in the shooting death of his friend, 18-year-old Jacob Ferrell. Torres also got a chance to speak in court.
I want to apologize to Jake's parents, Missy and Mike, for all the pain and sorrow that I've caused. I know that the pain will never go away, but I hope it will lessen over time.
The sentence was part of a plea agreement Torres' lawyers made with the state. Torres was just 16 when he shot Ferrell, and prosecutors charged him as an adult. Ferrell's family says 5 years isn't enough punishment.
There's always an empty seat at a holiday or a birthday. I never get to see my son get married. I never get to see him have children. I never get to see him raise a family.
Doesn't give him a right to take a gun no matter what and point it at anybody. Even my 8-year-old granddaughter knows you don't point a gun at nobody. And I don't even understand why he even had a gun.
State Attorney Monique Worrell says her office carefully considered all the facts in this case.
And this was an accident. The evidence in this case shows us that this was an accident. This was a child that should never have had access to a firearm, that was playing with that firearm, and it ended up with him shooting someone.
Many of Ferrell's loved ones have gotten tattoos in his memory. They also carry him with them.
This is what we have left of Jacob.
Tell us about that.
This is his ashes and his necklace. Also, the Godspeed tattoo. Everybody went and got that. There's probably over 400 people walking around with Jacob's tattoo.
Monique Worrell says there may be other charges filed in this case as they work to investigate how Torres got the gun in the first place. Live in downtown Orlando, Matt Trezza, Fox 35 News.